Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to create custom bullet points in Webflow using icons, emojis, or styled shapes for a more polished design. So first is to type and search Webflow in Google and click on the first link that pops up right here. And in the dashboard, click on Add Element. So instead of using Webflow's default list element, use a div block and add text blocks or paragraphs for your list items. Next, add an icon, emoji, or a small div circle next to your text. And then use flexbox on the parent container to align the bullet and text horizontally. From here, you can pick an emoji. And in the styles section, click on flex. Now style your bullet, adjust the size, margin, color, and even add hover animations if you want some interactions. Once it looks good, turn your custom bullet list into a component so you can easily reuse it across your site. And that's it. That's how you make beautiful custom bullet points in Webflow. No coding, just clean design. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more.